So let me expand upon the definition of a skill. In terms of what a skill is, it's basically a set of instructions that can be called from any chat that is repeatable in nature. Generally, the format's markdown files with a set of instructions. The neat thing is it can be used in any chat, right? So you can see that I can use that slash command and I can see the different skills that I have. Anthropic pre-provides you with some skill creators. There are now app exchanges for skills that you can build and develop. I teased a little bit about some of the things that Max is doing from a product perspective. We are looking at publishing our own set of skills to give you a head start so you can actually build some of these dashboards and reports. If you're interested in the skill for this branding, once you see it, we could send that across as well so you can actually see, what that actually looks like. But it allows you to have consistent look and feel of the branding. One of the other values for building it as a skill is skills and connectors can be shared across your organization. I think that gets lost a little bit in these demos because you just see me demoing it, but all of our other execs that are in this series and all of our team members have access to that same skill. So it allows for you to implement more of the look and feel. Now, this first iteration, some adjustments to the look and the feel. Not perfect. I can go through and revise it. It's still actually building, so it'll probably refresh a couple more times. Looks like so far it's just updated some of the CSS and the styling, but you can go through and really incorporate your branding and revise that look and feel. It'll probably refresh a few more times now, including the Maxio logo and some of the branding. Could refine some of the CSS here. What's nice though is regardless of your presentations, if you're using like an AI PowerPointing solution like Gamma or slides directly, it starts to help incorporate your branding and your look and feel. So again, it's still going through, refreshing. Each time it'll get more and more on brand. So starting to revise further the CSS. So great technique. We'll let this finish and then we'll talk about actually packaging this up as a skill and then some of the scheduled piece. And this is really where you go from exploring the data to building and building automations and workflows. Yeah, hopefully this will finish here shortly. All right, there we go. The other thing I want to point out is that it is building the HTML here as well. So you can come in and you could actually view this in Google Chrome. So you could allow it to open the file and it's building a full HTML version of the data in the dashboard. So you can come in and actually see that in a workable format.